Good morning, my beautiful people. It is Friday and time for our rune pull. Sorry I didn't pull a rune yesterday. I don't know, I forgot. I forgot for myself, too. I had, a busy morning and then a busy day full of meetings and then bagpipes, and by the time I knew it was today. So we'll do this today. I will be away this weekend chaperoning a Girl Scout event. I am a Girl Scout and proud to be a Girl Scout. And my troop is a gaggle of seniors in high school and then one younger girl. And we're doing maple sugaring this weekend. So the girls have trained, and then they're going to be leading the younger girls, younger Girl Scouts. But we're making a camping weekend out of it. So I'm spending the weekend with girls. What could go wrong? So let's pick a rune for today. Just got done with my meditation. It was good meditation today. I can hear the birds out, and one of the myths, or one of the stories associated with Valentine's Day, is that it's celebrated in February because that's when the birds start mating. So I can hear the birds outside, so that's lovely. See what Spirit has for us today. Oh, one shot out at me. Almost fell on the floor. Let's see what it is. Oh, here we go. Othala. That's Othala. And what, you ask, does Othala mean? I had to get the handy dandy notebook. So Othala is literally translates to inheritance, and it means ancestors, possessions, heritage, experience, values toward enlightenment, journey. Going on a journey today to Girl Scout camp. Ancestral roots, homeland, product of ancestral evolution, leave a legacy, beacon of hope, peace, and light, connect with the community, spread ancestral wisdom and knowledge. It's our duty to help others. Literally, the girls are helping other girls. Reach enlightenment, create a better world, share knowledge, prophecy. So, you're all talented. We all have something that we're good at. Even if you feel like you're not good at anything, you're good at something, and you can share that talent with others. You can help others, and maybe it's a recipe that's been passed down generations. Maybe it's a song that you learned, that somebody sang to you when you were a wee tot. There's something that you can share with others that celebrates and honors your path and your ancestral path. So Spirit, I think, is asking today to think about that. The stone for me, I'm going to be with the girls, and I have a very different approach to to life. So it's and we're doing maple sugaring, which is a very honored tradition with the trees. I always have to thank the trees before I do anything with them. I have to honor the land because that's part of my tradition. So that might be, something different and unique to them. So think about ways where you can be a positive influence and share. Let's grab ourselves a card, shall we? So we're using the Celtic Spirit cards. Saying good morning to Spirit, my spirit guides, and Seth, my principal spirit guide. Seth said hello back to me. And today's card is Celestial, Cosmos, Creation, and Spiral. So the goodness that you pass today gets passed on, right? I'm anticipating taking the girls on a night hike tonight. To look literally at the cosmos and talk about the stars and talk about, things that, these are seniors in high school, so they're a little bit more, the conversations can get really interesting when you hear about how they view life and what life is like for them at, 17 and 18 as opposed to what it was like for Terry and I, who the other leader, whom I've known since I'm 4. It's a different world for these girls than it was for us. So, this sort of cycle of women passing on to other women, I'm excited, and I think it'll be an amazing day. I am wishing you an amazing day, and I'm wishing you an amazing weekend, and I will check back with you guys on probably Sunday sometime. I'll probably do my Sunday rant on something fun, and then I'll see you for a rune pull reading on Monday morning. I wish you well. Be well. Bye-bye.